Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to remap the side key. Yes, I know that you can enter the settings and manage this through the settings, but it's quite longer. We've got very short equivalent of this. Hold the side key and volume down and tap side button settings here. Draw your pattern and here we've got it. Here we've got double press, camera. If we tap it, we can set double press and we can remap it for example, flashlight, magnifier, voice recorder, Samsung Note, etc. And here we can manage what actually we can, for example, do in Samsung Capture, like AA Select, screen recorder or screenshots, modes, sleep, apps, like for example, we can open Gmail. Apart from that, here, long press, we can enable either digital assistant like Google Assistant here, Bixby, or power off menu. If we tap this gear icon near digital assistant, we can see your screen and up data. Apart from that, here, wait a moment, we can disable double press or enable double press. So that's how it works. Now, for example, if we double press our button, we can see it's a flashlight instead of the camera. That's how it works. Bye.